Hey, what's up guys? Tell me, what do you think about Redmi Note 7 Pro with stock Android? A deadly combination, right? You can expect to see that the Xiaomi Mi A line devices feature this, and recently there are reports stating Mi A3 coming to life in few months. Let's first take a look at the display. You get the similar dot notch as you can find in Redmi Note 7 Pro, but with full HD plus AMOLED display, so you can get great visuals. And another thing is you get a glass sandwich design with Gorilla Glass 5 on both the side. This is also similar to that of Redmi Note 7 Pro. And you get an in-screen fingerprint scanner, which is new and which I reckon will be faster and better than current generation fingerprint scanner. Coming to processor, it has Snapdragon 675, which is a beast in the mid-range processors, and expected to get a 6GB variant with 64 or 128 gigs of internal memory. The cameras, unlike Redmi Note 7 Pro, the Mi A3 is going to sport a triple camera setup at the back. The smartphone will come with a 48 megapixel primary sensor, the Sony IMX586 sensor that is, and a 13 megapixel secondary sensor for ultra wide shots, and finally an 8 megapixel sensor for depth sensing. Finally, they are catching up with Samsung and their triple camera setup, and they are a step front with 14 megapixel camera. Moving on, for the front camera you get a 32 megapixel selfie shooter inside the notch. Moving on to the battery, on the downside the Mi A3 will come with a smaller battery compared to the 4000 mAh unit on Redmi Note 7 Pro. The rumored Mi A3 will come packed with 3300 mAh battery. The Xiaomi phones are known for the huge batteries, and this is a clear letdown. The device will support 18W Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 and it will support fast charging with Type-C. The smartphone may ship with an 18-watt charger inside the box as well, so now you can charge quickly without needing to buy charger from market just to experience that. Finally, the price. This is expected to be launched at somewhere near 17,500 rupees. So the offering from Xiaomi is great, another device with great specs and great price. As far as launch date is concerned, it will be launched in few months. Still, no dates have been leaked. Hope for the best. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.